Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. We have a few useful mnemonics to remember the functional groups and color reactions of specific amino acids. Number 1. HIP. Histidine has an imidazole group, tested by Pauly's test. Number 2. TIA. Tryptophan has an indole group, tested by Aldehyde test. Number 3. AGS. Arginine has a Guanidine group, tested by Sakaguchi test. Here is a tabular summary of some important amino acids along with their groups and associated color reactions. Phenylalanine group benzene ring. Color reaction xanthoprotic acid test. Example: when nitric acid comes in contact with the palm, it causes a yellow discoloration known as the xanthoprotic reaction. Tyrosine group phenol. Color reaction Millon's test gives red color. It also has xanthoprotic acid test which gives yellow color. Mnemonic for red color reaction is MCQs. Millon's test gives red color. Example: tyrosine. Pauly's test gives red color. Example: histidine. Sakaguchi test gives red color. Example: arginine. Tryptophan. Mnemonic TIA. Tryptophan has an indole ring and reacts with the aldehyde test, producing a purple color. Histidine. Mnemonic HIP. Histidine has an imidazole group and reacts with the Pauly's test, producing a red color. Arginine. Mnemonic AGS. Arginine has an guanidine group and reacts with the Sakaguchi test, producing a red color. Proline. It is the only amino acid. Group pyrrolidine. Color reaction ninhydrin test. All amino acids react with ninhydrin to produce purple color. Amino acids like proline gives a yellow color with ninhydrin test due to their unique structure. We got a question. The group present in tryptophan is tryptophan mnemonic is TIA. Tryptophan has an indole ring and gives a positive aldehyde test. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose.